Okay, welcome back to another edition of the Fireside Brew Review. We're here on this rainy fall day. Just got the fire going here, but we're traveling back to GL Heritage Brewing Company. We got both the Applejack Ale and the Beeutiful Honey Brown. Now, it's been suggested to me that I mix these two into one just to increase that flavor profile. So we're gonna try that today. Let's get started.
It's the Fireside Brew Review.
What?
The Fireside Brew Review. Good talk.
I don't know what to say right now.
Great.
Obviously.
Okay, I cooked up these burnt ends on my barbecue cook here. Put them on a bun. We're gonna try this Howlin' Smoky Barbecue Sauce. This is made with whiskey from Wolfhead Distillery. I just love that it comes in this flask-sized bottle here. Look at that. Oh yeah. So I previously looked at these two beers individually, but never together. But just to get an idea here. Okay, this has a little bit of that sweetness, a little bit of that toasty kind of taste, along with a touch of bitterness from the hop. And this one, okay, much sweeter up front. That apple taste just hits you. In the end, you kind of get that whiskey taste. So, the moment has come. Let's mix. Here's to further making that flavor profile a little more complex. Let's see if it all blends together, or let's see if they're better separate. Okay, right away the sweetness is a little dulled down. The bitterness is also dulled down. You still get that hoppy note at the end. Okay, let's try this again. Okay. I gotta say, I probably prefer the two separate. But, you know what? I love experimenting with different flavors. And I saw this, I figured I gotta try it. Yeah, I gotta say, after a few sips, it does tend to start growing on you a little bit. I don't know if I do this all the time, but it's nice to try. And now it's the time that everybody knows and loves, the Soapy Scale. If you don't know what the Soapy Scale is, watch this. Take a drink, and then you think, pick a color, any color. That's the Soapy Scale. Okay, got that? Okay, first time's ever done 2 beers with 1 crayon. Let's give it a try. Okay. Oh. You know what? metallic blue. So it is Halloween weekend, and that's when John and I would do our Holidays with John video. But now John's got some exciting news. He's got his own YouTube channel. So if you want to tune in to Holidays with John, the Halloween edition, I'll put the link in the description below. Give John some love and go over to his channel and check it out. So I'm going to finish up eating here. Finish drinking here. So check out GL Heritage. They are a local brewery and they still offer home delivery. So check them out. Greg from GL came by, brought the delivery, had a nice chat with him, and it's just great to support local. Hey, remember, get out in your backyard, even in the rain, get an umbrella set up, and we'll see you next time on the next Brew Review.